Hey y'all, good morning. Happy Sunday. It is time to dollar cost average into the brokerage account. Got paid on Friday and I have some time on Sunday to get this going. Now, I do want to start by saying that if you look at my account, it's very red, and that's because the Trump dump effect is in process, especially these last 2 weeks. I do these videos every 2 weeks, even though I DCA every week. I feel like every week a video would be too much. So these last 2 weeks have really shown the uncertainty that we have in the economy. So like yesterday, we're down 0.47%, $9.46. But if you look as far as back as a month, where we go to 1 month, we're down almost $60 or 3%. So year to date, my appreciation in this account has been drastically affected. Even last video, it was at least 3%, which I was excited about because I was surely on my way to at least the 8% return. But at 1% in March, that is not as much of a sure thing as I think it is. So it is what it is. Let's go to, it's okay though, because I'm a long term investor. This is going to happen. It happens often. Every president has a down year. Obama had a down year. The first Trump presidency had a down year, at least one, maybe more. Biden had a down year. And it looks like Trump is about to have a down year again in his second presidency. All right, so on to buying. Let's go buy. We're going to increase our share in Maine, which is also on sale. Yes, see, it's red. Now when I did buy it, if I go to notifications, what was it? Where's it? View all notifications? Main Street. So last time I bought it, the first time was $58.16. Last time was $56.28. So I got it on sale. Now it's still on sale, down from 58 at the highest I've bought it. It's at 57 and let's say and a half. So that's the only good thing about Trump dumping the stock market at the moment. $31.25 is going to buy me a little bit more than half a share. Review the order. Um, let's see, blah, 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 bye. And we are done. I am buying after the market. So come Monday, which is tomorrow, it will be done. Right now it's only queued. So yeah. Speaking of queuing, the tariffs are supposed to start effective April 2nd, I believe. Like, supposedly it's no holds barred. He's not caring. He's not giving any more leeway. And I expect that to make this red go even down some more. Next time I come to you guys in the DCA videos of the brokerage account, I think it'll be in April. So the only good thing about that is that I think April, at least the first time I buy, yep, it's gonna be around April 6th, April 3rd time. It will be even redder, so it's gonna be a more significant sale. I am hoping. So that's the only good thing about it because the countries are not having these tariffs and they're retaliating against us, and there's a cause and effect, and the effect is that the stock market is going to go down. Hopefully not too down, but it's going to go down. Dividends are coming. Okay, I think this is what's it called. I just got a dividend last week, and it was from DGRO. It says because I own blah 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 of DGRO, your annual dividend in my account on the 18th of March, my dividend that I'm getting is $1.08, which I'm happy about. But I had to learn something this go round, and that your dividend doesn't always stay high. And I'm specifically a dividend focused investor. So this is something that I'm learning, part of the learning curve. So I looked into my history because I suspected like that seems a little low. When I got paid in December, it was $1.31. So that's 20 cents less. And then when I first got paid, I believe in September, it was $1.40. So I went from $1.40 to $1.08, and I have not increased my position. So I own the certain amount, same amount of stock. I looked it up, and I'm not going to switch because Canva, it always messes up my videos when I switch. So I looked it up. I said, why does GRO dividend decrease? And it said that the dividend may decrease due to several factors, including the company's financial performance, earnings, cash flow, capital requirements, and overall market conditions. The fund seeks to track the investment results of Morningstar, blah, 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 which measures the performance of U.S. companies selected based on a consistent history of growing dividends. So that is one thing. And then I looked up something else, I guess, like the source link from that. And it's gone up and down over a while. So um, the dividend I got from March was 31 cents. September it was 40 cents. So I've gone highest 40 cents to 31 cents. And I'm supposing that that's not anything that I can really control. So I'm not going to worry about it. A dividend is a dividend. So I'm happy regardless. I should get some more this last week, honestly, of March. And hopefully it will sum out to $15. Once I get that $15, I will be putting it in ET because I'm picking ET as 2025's um, drip fund. I'm putting all my drip into one. Once I siphon all my dividends every quarter, it's going to go into something. And this year is energy transfer because it's the cheapest one that I have right now. I believe it's the cheapest one. How is energy transfer doing? Right now it's down 1.3%. Year to date is down 5%. And I think I'll be done with all my dividends by the time the next video happens. So hopefully this goes down to like, I don't know, let's hope $15 because then I could get a whole share. But maybe even 16, 17 would be nice, down from $18.60. So yeah, y'all, that's all I got for now. Have I been in the screen this whole time? Yeah, kind of. Thanks for hanging out with me. The journey is the whole point, not the end result. Well, the journey is most of the point. The end result is that we end up with $1 million in this thing in 30 something years. But I will talk to you guys later. Have a great Sunday and a great week.